This is meteorologist Corey Rothstein with the U.S. National Weather Service in Springfield, giving you an update regarding the potential for some winter weather and even possibly a winter storm as we get into Tuesday evening into Wednesday of this week. So looking ahead again to Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning, accumulating snowfall and travel impacts are expected during both the Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning commutes. The map here shows the winter storm watch that is in effect from Tuesday evening into Wednesday. As you can see, it highlights areas generally along Interstate 44 and areas south of there towards the Missouri-Arkansas border and portions of south central Missouri. In this winter storm watch area, there is a potential for heavy snow of 4 to 6 inches plus. But again, we'll be continuing to watch this. Could be some slight changes to details regarding snowfall amounts, locations, and even the changeover from rain to snow on Tuesday evening that will come with forecast updates in the next 24 hours. With regards to the probability of different snowfall amounts, we're looking at two different graphics here. On the left, you can see the chance for 2 inches or greater of snowfall, especially along and south of the Interstate 44 corridor, seeing anywhere from about 80 to almost 100% chance of seeing at least 2 inches. Now, as you get further northwest towards the Highway 54 corridor, areas such as Nevada, Warsaw, Osage Beach, still looking at some pretty high probabilities of seeing it around or above 2 inches of snowfall. But you'll notice, especially as we get to closer to 6 inches of snowfall, the probabilities really drop off north of the Interstate 44 corridor. Again, looking at about 20% chance or less at this moment for 6 inches of snowfall north of I-44. But as you get south of I-44, especially over into portions of south central Missouri, Ava, West Plains, Houston, even Eminence areas, there is about a 40 to 60% chance of seeing at least 6 inches of snowfall. And this, again, is the area that is highlighted by the winter storm watch. With regards to impacts from accumulating snowfall, we do expect at least minor impacts, so slippery road conditions across most, if not all, of southwest and south central Missouri, as well as extending into portions of central Missouri and possibly even southeast Kansas. Now, again, the moderate impacts are going to be a little bit lower in terms of probabilities, but you can see, again, getting south of the Interstate 44 corridor, down towards Branson, over into West Plains areas again, looking at anywhere between about a 30 to 50% chance of seeing moderate impacts. And the moderate impacts themselves generally mean that there is a potential for using extra caution on roadways, even potential for maybe even seeing some closed roadways if snowfall amounts become high enough. With regards to the forecast confidence, we have seen an increase over the last 12 to 24 hours in terms of that confidence. However, there's still some uncertainty regarding the changeover timing from rain to snow on Tuesday evening, as well as this impact on the exact snowfall amounts, as well as where the snowfall and the best snowfall amounts potential is going to be residing. Right now, the highest probability of higher snowfall is again going to be along and generally south of the Interstate 44 corridor. And again, depending on where that heaviest snowfall occurs, will determine where we see the best potential for impacts with regards to roadways and infrastructure. When it comes to winter weather resources and safety, what can you do to prepare for this event? Make sure to prepare your home, get it winterized, have a plan available with some resources as well as a kit ready in case we do have higher impacts occur at your house or in the area that you live. Make sure you prepare your vehicle if you're going to have to be out on the roadways, although if you can avoid travel, please do if possible. Speaking of preparing your car, here are some safety and other resource materials that you can have in your car if you do have to go out on the roads, including having a phone charger for your cell phone, some extra clothing in case you do get stranded, and even some blankets and jumper cables in case you do run into any issues with your vehicle out on the roadway. We also have forecast information, the latest forecast information available at weather.gov/Springfield, or you can follow us for more information with regards to the forecast at NWS Springfield at either Facebook, Twitter, or on YouTube. Again, I'm meteorologist Corey Rothstein with the National Weather Service in Springfield.